Welcome to this BoldDesk integration tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure the PagerDuty app in BoldDesk, set up PagerDuty notifications, and add notification rules. I'll also demonstrate how to create and manage PagerDuty incidents directly from BoldDesk. The PagerDuty app is an incident management platform that helps organizations detect and respond to IT incidents and outages swiftly. Integrating the PagerDuty app with BoldDesk enables support and engineering teams to respond to incidents more effectively by syncing alerts and on-call schedules with the ticketing system. To get started, I log in to the BoldDesk admin account, go to the Admin Center, and navigate to the Marketplace. Here, search for and select the PagerDuty app and click Install to open the configuration page. Next, I enter the PagerDuty username and API key and click Verify and Continue to proceed. For a comprehensive guide on finding the PagerDuty username and API key, follow the documentation link in the description. Enable this option to automatically mark the PagerDuty incident as resolved when the ticket is solved or closed. In the Permissions Configuration section, select specific roles to grant read and write permissions to the app, allowing them to add or update content. Use this option to grant read-only permission. Enabling this switch grants access to all roles. I click Save to complete the setup. Next, let me show you how to get notified properly in the PagerDuty app. This allows users to receive incident alerts via emails, phone calls, or SMS. I log into the PagerDuty account, open the menu, click the profile icon, and select the My Profile option. On the Contact Information tab, you can add and verify the phone number, SMS numbers, and email addresses for receiving notifications. To configure notification rules, navigate to the Notification Rules tab, click Add New Rule, and specify how and when to receive alerts. Then I click Save to complete the setup. You can add multiple rules as needed. Once the setup is complete and verified, PagerDuty will send notifications alerts based on the configured notification rules. To manage incidents in BoldDesk, I select the ticket, go to the App section in the right sidebar, and open the PagerDuty app. Here, to create a PagerDuty incident, click the Create Incident button to open a dialog box. Fill in the required details, then click Create. To link an existing incident to this ticket, I click Link Incident, enter the incident ID, and then select it. In the Information section, you can view the linked incident details. You can also update the status and assignee. To add a responder, I click Add Responder, select the user from the drop-down, and click Save. In the Timeline section, you can view the incident history. You can add a note to the linked incident by entering your message and clicking Add Note. Once the note is added, it will appear in the Notes section of the linked incident panel and is also synced to PagerDuty. That's how easy it is to install and configure the PagerDuty app in BoldDesk, ensuring your support team can respond to incidents faster and keep operations running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more BoldDesk integrations and tips. Thanks for watching.